Welcome to this VueGen tutorial, where I will briefly show how to set up the VueGen graphic user interface on the Mac. And we start our plan the VueGen code view page, where after the repository, where you find the README, and instead of going to the section GUI in this README document, we will go to the DOS, where you find the same information under the GUI tab using the bundled GUI. And I'm basically we'll just go through this section here. So if we go to releases, we need to select now for just the latest release, which is 0.4. We need to pick our architecture. I'm running on Mac, so on Windows you only have one choice. On Mac, if you have an older chipset without a Apple Silicon chip, so any of these M chips, you use the x64 version, and otherwise you can use the ARM64. And as I'm running on a rather modern one, I use this one, and I downloaded just 2 downloads. While this is running, we can briefly see what comes next. In order to create any kind of these Quadro-based reports, so HTML, PDF, or Word documents, we will need to have a Python kernel which is active. And the basically most secure way to set this up is using Miniforge, which we link here. If we just look at the Miniforge installation, we can see that for, again, the same story, I mean, rather modern Apple devices with Apple Silicon, any of these M chips, older ones, or the other platforms or Windows. I mean, the Linux users, we don't ship a graphic user interface because normally if you're on Linux, you know how to use the command line, and the command line will work perfectly fine. So we downloaded our GUI. I will go ahead, look at the folder, and just unzip it. And already started, as this might take a second. And in our instructions, we see that we now basically use, yes, I downloaded it from Tinet, so I have to start it, that we need to use this command to set it up. And just to show you, so I have conda installed, and you can check this with just, for example, conda info, where you will see now a list of environments I'm currently using, also some VueGen related. And if I just paste this in, it will ask me, oh yeah, I deleted it just, so I have to say yes. Then it would check if on the channels, which is specified in this command, conda, forge, and bioconda, our package VueGen is either installable through pip or using conda from the bioconda channel. We specify these channels, and if for any case, yes, so we just need to confirm it that it will build. And if for any case this will not run, you can go on with creating this basically installation in the 2-step where you install VueGen using pip. Once this graphic user interface is opened, it says, okay, in order to give you some example data, we copy it to the home directory. So under the home directory, close this one, you will now have a folder VueGen, so my username and VueGen, with some example reports and the structure I will explain in a different video. And then all the reports per default will also end up in this folder. And with this, we now have this app, and the last part you have to do is just select your newly generated environment, which is, if you use Miniforge, also on your home directory under environments, and we call it VueGen, and then you need to still select the bin folder and just click choose. And with this, you're set to go.